Welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to see about the soft skill courses offered by TCS iON for absolutely free with certificate. The website which offering the course it is learning.tcsionhub.in. Once you open the website you will be seeing the home page which contains information regarding what are the courses offered by this website. You can able to see here these courses will be temporarily inaccessible from today night 10:30 p.m. to tomorrow morning 2:30 a.m. onwards. So when you are trying to open the website during this time, if it is not opening, don't worry about that one. Now we'll see about the courses which offered by them for soft skill development. The soft skill development program which offered by the course will be there under the undergraduate courses. So select the undergraduate courses. Once you select the undergraduate courses, we will be having in this left side, you can able to see browse by type, category, everything. In the category already undergraduate has been selected. Now we have to see the course offered by whom. Now we are going to select the courses which is offered by TCS iON. We'll select the TCS iON. We can able to see here many courses will be available. It can total 111 entries are available, which includes the paid courses also. Now we have to filter the free courses alone. So come to the price and click on free. Once you click on free, now we can able to see the entries has become 23 entries alone. Now we can able to select the courses which you require. Once you select the courses, a page will open which contains information regarding the courses. Here the courses will contain the course title, how much session it will take, which language the course it is, the course format, whether it is free or for subscription, the course culture and email writing, it is for paid. They are offering now currently for free because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Then about the certification, about the overall overview of the course, who will get benefit by the course, what is the course syllabus, and what is the prerequisite knowledge required for enrolling the course, and the frequently asked questions. Now we'll see the list of courses offered by the TCS iON. The starting course which offer it is Career Edge, Knock Down the Lockdown. Next course it is Communication Skill. Next course it is Interview Skill. The next course it is Introduction to Soft Skill. The next course it is Career Enhancement Program. The next course it is Resume Writing and Cover Letter. The next course it is Email Etiquette. The next course it is Presentation Skill. The next course it is Group Discussion. The next course it is Business Etiquette. The next course it is Accounting Fundamentals. The next course it is TCS iON Corona Warriors. The third page, the next course it is Cultural and Email Writing. The next course it is Basics of Customer Services. The next course it is Telephone Etiquette. The next course it is Information and Communication Technology. The next course it is TCS iON Campus Professional. The 18th course it is Synchronous Learning in TCS iON Digital Learning. This course does not have certification. The next course it is TCS iON Opinions. The next course it is Hindi Medium Community. If you are liking to enroll, you can able to enroll. The next course it is Master for Middle School Mathematics Decimals. And the next course it is Master of Middle School Mathematics Fractions. And next course it is Sanskrit one. So I have been telling you about the courses which are offering certificates. One or two courses may not have certificates. If a course does not have certificate, we can able to see here in the certification part there is no certification will be informed. If you have doubt about the certification, you can come bottom to the frequently asked question and you can able to see here, do I get a certificate on completing the course? If you see here, no, there is no certificate on completing this course. The course which does not have certificate, here you can able to see there won't be anything about the certification. I hope this video will be useful for you. In the next video, we'll be seeing about the TCS iON courses along with the NPTEL courses offered in this website. I hope this video is useful for you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Please do share to your friends if you found this video is informative. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.